Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a new AI coding platform which is actually called as Replit. It's basically an IDE directly in the browser itself. You can try this on replit.com/pricing. This is the pricing model. It provides you with the free account here. You can create a free account to create 10 development apps. So I will show you. Click on sign up. You can log in with GitHub or your Google account. Simply click on the Google account, choose your free account, click on continue. And once you are continue, you will automatically be redirected to this IDE replit.com. As you can see right here, this is the interface very much similar to Claude or Grok, Gemini, or any sort of cloud IDE which allows you to make any sort of web applications. So here you will provide your prompt here, which application you want to make right here. So I will just provide a simple description of the application, build a React.js image to PDF application which converts or export multiple images to PDF and download the PDF in browser, generate full project files, run the project and also deploy it as well. So we have written this complete prompt here, what application we want to basically build out, and also we have explicitly mentioned that please run the project and also deploy this as well. So if you click start chat button, now you just need to wait here. It will create your app automatically and then automatically run the app as well and also deploy this as well. So it is working on the app. So you can just see the speed here. Uh, so it will basically construct all the project files here, also show you the live preview as well. So what is the initial version, a React.js application. You can see that. So it is designing this application. So you just need to say approve plan. So click on that and after that it will start its designing part. So there is also this option, get notified when your app is ready. So you can scan this. So now it is actually creating this application. As you can see, it is designing this. This is the preview section that you see right here. So we have the convert to PDF button. We have choose files button where we can simply choose any sort of files here. It is also showing you the live preview as well. So there is also this option here. You can even attach files as well to this IDE. So this is a visual preview of the app, and there is also this option which is available as to us, which is deploy. So once you click the deploy button, it will deploy your application. So now it has constructed this application. It is still creating this application, so just wait. So once it is completed, it will show you the code as well, and then you can actually run this application. So it is, so as you can see, it builds with the React.js client-side processing. You can even install the Replit app as well inside your mobile phone to get notified whenever the application is completed. So it is creating all these files here, you will see. So speed is pretty good. First of all, it designed the preview part, then it is actually generated the source code files here automatically on the left hand side. You can see all the files are successfully generated. So the time taken by this IDE depends upon what kinds of application you're developing. So in our case, it is developing a full stack React application which converts images to PDF. That's why it is taking a lot of time. So if you're creating a simple application, then it will not take a lot of time. So it involves a lot of files as well. So that's why it has taken a lot of time. So I'm not pausing the video. So if you just want to fast forward the video, you can. But I'm showing you the overall process, how much time this IDE takes to generate this full stack application. So it has all the components here inside this components folder. You also have the invite button as well. You click the invite button and you can even invite other developers on this project here. So as you can see. So you can completely try this solution for completely free. Log in with your Google account and you will be redirected to this. And the free plan is more than enough to actually try out this platform and just create 5 to 10 apps. If you are happy, then you can upgrade to a paid plan as well. So the free plan is more than enough. It will do all the stuff automatically for you. You just need to write the prompt and then wait. So it will automatically start your application as well. So now you can see your app is running. So you can see now your application is serving on port 5000. So I think if I try this, so now your application is ready here. You can stop this and now you can see everything is now ready. So now it will load your application right here. It is deploying this application as well, ready to share with the world. So you can actually share the URL of the app with your friends as well. So just wait, it is loading your app. You can just click this option here, open file. So this will basically show you the overall structure of the application. This is the client side component here. You will see all these files are generated here. You will see. So this is a full stack application it generated of image to PDF. For deploying your application, you do need to basically upgrade your account. The deployment part is not available for completely free. So in this easy way, you can basically generate any sort of application using this platform. Replit, this is their IDE. You can access it replit.com and So in this easy way, you can access this thing, and let me show you the pricing here, which is Replit IDE pricing. So the free plan is more than enough. You can actually make 10 development apps. Then we also, the pro plan starts with the $20 per month, and this will get you the full Replit agent access, $25 of monthly credits, unlimited public and private apps, and you will be able to use the Claude, OpenAI, GPT, Gemini models, and also able deploy and host live apps as well. So the $35 plan is also available, which includes $40 month of credits available. So you can try this IDE, which automatically builds out all your application using a simple prompt. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.